How to make an HK90 disposable respiratory mask. An HK90 mask can be easily made from simple materials, many of which you have around your home. You'll need paper towels. The original instructions call for kitchen towels. I use shop towels for extra thickness and durability. Large format paper tissues. This layer will go against your face, so you'll want to get the softest type possible. 1.5 or 2-inch masking tape. Do not use painter's tape, as it is designed not to stick. Scissors. A hole punch. You can use this single hole punch or a 3-ring binder punch. Bendable wire. 18 gauge works well, or it could be a bit thinner. You could also unbend paper clips. Cut the wire into 6-inch lengths. Rubber bands. These are size number 33, 3.5 inch by 1/8 inch. For a face shield, use a sheet protector. 2 small binder clips. To assemble the masks, fold a sheet of the paper towels along the long edge. Place a tissue onto the folded paper towel towards the edge that will be the top. Be sure that it is well centered. Make sure that the wire is flat and straight. Place it just above the tissue. It is important that the wire is also well centered. Pre-cut a length of tape and place it along the top edge of the paper towel, capturing both the top edge of the tissue and the wire. Flip the mask over and fold the tape around to what will be the outside of the mask. Flip the mask back over and use a pre-cut piece of tape to capture the edge of the tissue. Flip and fold the tape over. Repeat on the other end of the mask. Make holes with a punch in the 4 corners of the mask. Cinch a rubber band into each of the holes. Put a small mark in the top center of the mask. To fit the mask, make a small fold in the mask where you made your mark. Rest the band high up the bridge of your nose. Hold the mask against your nose with one hand. With the other, bend the wire to the side of your nose and along the top of your cheekbone. Wrap the top rubber band around your ear on that side. Change hands holding the mask against your nose. Repeat to the other side of your face. Wrap the bottom rubber bands around your ears on each side. Pull any excess fabric to the sides, creating little wings or gills. Double check that the wire fits nicely against your nose and cheeks. Grab a short piece of tape. Fold one of the wings downwards until it fits tight against your face. Use the piece of tape to hold the wing in place, wrapping it around the inside of the mask. Repeat on the other side. Now you'll have a tight-fitting mask. When well fitted, you will see it contracting when you inhale and expanding when you exhale. For a face shield, cut the sheet protector into 2 halves. Then clip one of the sheets to a pair of glasses or hat. Now you're well protected and so stylish.